This is a demonstration of Declo, a chatbot supporting declarative process modeling. Declarative process modeling is supported in three ways, using a chatbot, speech recognition, and a graphical editor. The modeling language supported is NP-Declare, the multi-perspective extension of Declare, allowing to the definition of data and time conditions on top of standard Declare constraints. I will start the demonstration by creating a new NP-Declare model. Declo allows me to record or write a declare constraint using natural language. I will now use the voice input to generate a constraint. Process starts when an order is received. As you can see, an init constraint has been recognized, and the constraint and the new activity have been added to the graphical model, the list of activities, and the list of constraints. So I can confirm that the constraint has been recognized correctly. Now Declo asks whether I would like to add a data or time condition. I say no for this constraint. I will now add a second constraint, using the chat and the natural language statement if an order is shipped, an invoice must be eventually sent. That should correspond to a response constraint. As you can see, a response constraint has been correctly recognized. I can now add a data or time condition to this constraint, using speech recognition or the chat. I'll add a time condition using the voice input. Not before 2 hours and within 6 hours. The time condition has been correctly recognized and added to the response constraint in the graphical model, and in addition to the constraint in the constraint list. I'll also use the voice input to add a data condition to the response constraint. Order type is express. This condition has also been correctly recognized. I can also add an activity manually to the list of activities. Archive an order. And add a constraint to the list of constraints. For example, I'm adding a coexistence constraint. This constraint has also been added to the graphical model. Thank you for your attention.